So welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, today I am back with another interesting question. So as we can see in the figure, a quarter circle is given whose center is at point O. Inside it, we have two line segments. One is 8 units in measure and the other one is 6 units in measure. We are asked to find the radius of this quarter circle. For that, we will do one modification here. We will join these 2 points to complete this right triangle. Let us name this point as M. Now let us focus on this triangle ABM. It is a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagorean theorem here. So hypotenuse, that is AM squared, will be equal to 8 squared plus 6 squared. This will be 64 plus 36, that is equal to 100. So from here we will get AM equals square root of 100, that is 10 units. So we can mark it here as 10 units. The next step will be to draw an identical quarter circle on the other side so that a complete semicircle is formed here. So we can do like this. This will form a semicircle. Now if we produce this BM, we know that it is going to pass through the extreme end, this end of the diameter. So let us name this as point N. So now we have a much nicer looking diagram. We have completed this quarter circle into a semicircle. Now we will focus on comparing these two triangles, triangle AOM and triangle NOM. Let me sketch them. Now in these two triangles, this angle is 90 degree, so this angle is also 90 degree. This is a common side and this AO length is equal to NO because it is the radius of this semicircle. So by side angle side postulate, we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other. So if they are congruent, then we know that by the property of congruency, the congruent parts of congruent triangles are equal. So AM will be equal to NM, AM will be equal to NM, AM we already found as 10 units. So this length NM will also be 10 units. Now finally let us focus on this triangle ABN. This angle B is 90 degree. BN will be equal to 6 plus 10. So this will be 16. AB is 8 and AN is unknown to us. In fact, it is twice the radius. So let us name it as small d, the diameter. We will apply Pythagorean theorem in this triangle and we will get the value of d. So d square will be equal to 16 square plus 8 square, that is equal to 256 plus 64. So this will be 320. So d will be square root of 320, which is 8 root 5. But this is not our answer. This is the diameter and diameter is 2 times the radius. So radius will be equal to diameter upon 2. So 8 root 5 divided by 2, this will be 4 root 5. So 4 root 5 units is the radius of this quarter circle. In order to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.